Happy Pancake Day from BBC Good Food. We're going to show you 3 quick and easy ways with pancakes. My favourite filling for pancakes is based on Black Forest Gâteau. So I've got some chocolate sauce and some sticky cherries. Barney, what are you doing?
I'm going to do an updated version of the classic crêpe suzette. So that's pancakes drenched in a sticky caramel orange syrup.
Delicious. Miriam?
And I'm going to be making savoury filled pancakes, which are inspired by quesadillas. So I need pop a pancake in a hot pan and then scatter over some grated cheese, some chopped red pepper and some coriander leaves.
Can you use any kind of cheese?
Anything that's going to melt well, so like cheddar I've used here, but you could use red Leicester, something like that would be fine. A bit of salt and pepper. And then you should just fold it over and leave it until the cheese melts.
So how would you cook it if you wanted to do lots of quesadillas for a crowd?
Yeah, you just put all the pancakes on a big baking tray, top them with the cheese and pepper and everything, put another pancake on the top of each one, put it in the low oven until the cheese melts. So just do them all in one go, basically. Yeah. And that's about ready to flip over.
And are you going to serve it with something Mexican, keeping the theme?
Yeah, keep on the theme. So I've got some red kidney beans, which I've put some spices and some garlic and lots of butter, so they're all mashed up together. I've got some salad and some avocado, bit of lime, yeah.
Delicious. Barney, what are you up to over here?
So I'm making the base for this crêpe suzette. I've scattered 50 grams of sugar into a dry pan. I'm just going to swirl it around. It's quite important that you don't stir it with a wooden spoon. Can you see in the pan it's just starting to go? Leave that for about 20 more seconds. And then we're going to add some grated orange zest to that. Then we're going to add juice of 1 orange. That's going to splutter. And then we're going to add about 50 grams of butter.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Yep. So that's our lovely sticky syrup. We'll turn that down to a medium heat. Then we're just going to add our pancakes, about 2 pancakes per person. And then you just want to drench or soak the pancakes in this orange syrup. So just bring that up to a slight bubble. And we're just going to flip those over. Here in its own right, you've got an absolutely wonderful dessert. The next thing we're about to do really is an essential, which is to flambe it with about 50 ml of orange liqueur. You could use brandy, you could use rum, but orange liqueur if you've got it.
Wow.
And that just boils it down to a lovely sticky syrup. I'm just going to serve that with a ball of ice cream in a minute.
Delicious. Well, my favourite pancake filling is a bit simpler than yours. I've got some cherries here and I've just boiled them down with a little bit of cherry jam. You could use raspberry jam or strawberry jam. And then I've got my favourite pancake filling of all time, which is chocolate and hazelnut spread. I'm just going to roll that up and then top that with the lovely sticky cherries. And then on top of that, I'm just going to add a blob of crème fraîche. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to crumble over some chocolate flake. So there's my Black Forest Gâteau inspired pancake.
There are my quesadilla style pancakes.
And here's my caramelised orange crêpe suzette.
Happy Pancake Day!